What up, folks? This is Yogs from DC Modworks, and today we have already unboxed a computer gaming case from NZXT, but we will be having our quick review on NZXT's H700 mid-tower gaming case on a white version. So enjoy! NZXT's H700 case looks very elegant, having a modern looking design with a clean and sleek look with a boxy structure frame. It is a downgrade version of the H700i, which features a smart device that controls the fan speed and has a built-in lighting strip. There are 4 available different colors to choose from, like a matte white, matte black with red, and matte black with blue color combination. The case is primarily made out of steel aluminum frame, solid plastic, and tempered glass, and it weighs approximately 12 kilograms. Its minimalistic design is well delivered with vented holes on the case for optimum level of airflow. The case offers plenty of room for almost any build, and it features optimum flexibility for both entry-level and advanced level PC builders. On the top front portion of the case, the front I/O is located, a power button, 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.1, and an audio and mic port. However, there is no reset button. The case features a tempered glass side panel to showcase your internal hardware and is held by 4 easy-to-remove thumbscrews. The motherboard tray supports mini ATX, micro ATX, ATX, and extended ATX motherboard up to 10.7 inches. It can hold up to 16 inches of clearance for lengthy graphics cards with 7 expansion slots available. The case includes one 140mm case fan and 3 120mm case fans that are installed in the front portion. A top drop-in bracket is designed for easy installation of radiators up to 280mm. An integrated reservoir mounting is also available for custom water loop systems. The backside of the case is accessed by opening the backside panel by a push-up button. Cable management can often take more time than assembly. A newly designed cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps on the back of the motherboard tray are superb for intuitive and hassle-free wiring and cabling. There are 5 SSD caddies available, 2 at the top, 1 at the side of the PSU shroud, which can be easily removed. The other 2 is located at the back of the motherboard tray. There are 2 3.5 inches hard drive cage located at the bottom part, which is also removable. An option for 2 additional SSDs can be installed on the hard drive cage. The power supply can be installed by accessing it on the inside and is held up by a removable PSU bracket. Overall, the case is well built and has a premium finish, with a hassle-free cable management and plenty of room for high-end components. If you're looking for a simple, elegant, minimalistic, modern-looking case design, you might consider the NZXT's H700 case. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked our video. Please do like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more contents. Thank you and have a good day. Peace out.